Seth has denied killing her son, sources suggest that she's showing no signs of remorse and has not been cooperating with the police, is what the cops are telling India Today. Now, during interrogation, she allegedly has revealed that her son liked Goa and that she got stuck in traffic while fleeing. Now, cops will be questioning Suchna's husband, Venkatraman, as well. The investigation has also revealed that 2 cough syrup bottles were found from Suchna's hotel room. Cops suspect that she may have sedated her son before allegedly killing him. Now, India Today tracked down the driver of Suchana Seth's getaway cab, who said that she was silent throughout the journey, adding that she was horrified to discover that his passenger was carrying a child's body in her luggage. Meanwhile, according to the couple's divorce documents, Suchna had filed a domestic violence case in August 2022 against her estranged husband, Venkatraman. She had accused him of physically abusing her and her son, a charge Venkatraman has denied in court.
सर नमस्कार सर, ये जो हत्याकांड हुआ उसमें अभी क्या अपडेट है इन्वेस्टिगेशन में सर?
देखिए, पहले मैं इसका कुछ आपको बैकग्राउंड बता दूं कि ये महिला यहाँ पर 6 जनवरी को आई थी और 8 को 12:30 बजे के करीब ये यहाँ से गई। तो यहीं से इसमें जो होटल के बंदे थे उनको ये संदेह हुआ कि ये महिला जो है अपने बच्चे के साथ आई थी, लेकिन बच्चे के बिना जा रही है। तो जब वो इनका कमरा साफ करने लगे तो इनको वहां कुछ खून के धब्बे भी मिले, जिसकी वजह से उनका संदेह जो था वो थोड़ा मजबूत हो गया। तो उन्होंने तुरंत हमारा जो 112 है ERSS सिस्टम, उस पर सूचना दी कि एक महिला यहाँ पर आई थी और वो बच्चे के साथ आई थी, और जब वो गई है बच्चा उनके साथ नहीं है और उनके रूम में इस तरह से पाया गया है।
अच्छा, मेरा फाइनल क्वेश्चन ये है सर कि अब तक की तफ्तीश में क्या आया है कि किस तरह से बच्चे की हत्या की है? मतलब क्या क्या चीजें एविडेंस के तौर पर रूम के होटल के कमरे से मिली और किस तरह से हत्याकांड को अंजाम दिया? बस ये
देखिए, ये तो सभी न्यायालय के लिए होता है और मैं इतना कह सकता हूँ अभी इस स्टेज पर कि जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है वो सही डायरेक्शन में चल रही है और इसको हम पूरे लॉजिकल एंड तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन लेके जाएंगे। एक समय निर्धारित रहता है जब अक्यूज्ड कस्टडी में रहता है,
जी
इतने समय में हमें इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन को कंप्लीट करना है।
जी
तो जो इस तरह के संगीन अपराध होते हैं उनके लिए 90 दिन निर्धारित है।
जी
तो हम
क्या
पूरी
कफ सिरप भी दिया था क्या सर? माफ करिए सर, टोक रहा हूँ, कफ सिरप भी दिया था ऐसा कुछ बोल रही?
नहीं, उसमें ऐसी क्योंकि कफ सिरप की बोतल वहां पर पाई गई है
जी
और फिर हम देखेंगे कि पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में जो ऑटोप्सी सर्जन हैं
जी
वो अगर इसके बारे में जिक्र करते हैं तो फिर ये हमारे लिए एक रेलेवेंट हो जाए।
इनिशियल पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में क्या हिंट किया है कि मतलब बच्चे का मौत कैसे हुई?
नहीं, वो जैसा मैंने पहले कहा कि स्मॉदरिंग से और कोई चीज उनके फेस पे प्रेशर करने से इस तरह से उनकी हत्या हुई।
He has been strangulated by mostly by smothering, and he has died because of strangulation. I think he has used some material to compress his chest, neck. Mostly commonly available things are this pillow or something. By that he has compressed his neck. And when you compress neck, so the veins of the chest or lower parts of the body and also the head and neck, they will not drain. The blood will stop there. So because blood stops there, the veins get engorged. Even congestion of the face and even other parts also occurs.
Now, it's a murder that has stunned India. A Bengaluru-based startup CEO killing her 4-year-old son allegedly and then carrying his body in a bag. It has now emerged that Suchana Seth, Harvard fellow, head of an AI company, may have sedated her son with cough syrup and then smothered him with a pillow or a towel. But why? Because she allegedly didn't want her son to meet her estranged husband.
Goa is in mourning as it bids farewell to a 4-year-old victim of a heinous crime. Suchana Seth, co-founder of a Bengaluru-based artificial intelligence startup, Mindful AI Lab, and a Harvard fellow who made it to the list of best women in AI ethics, is in police custody for allegedly killing her 4-year-old son in a resort apartment in North Goa's Candolim. While the Goa police are carrying out an investigation, medical professionals who executed the autopsy have confirmed the method of murder. The post-mortem report of the deceased child has unraveled the harrowing details of the crime. The little boy, allegedly killed by his mother, was suffocated to death using a pillow or a similar object approximately 36 hours before his body was discovered. A vein on the boy's face had popped due to pressure of the strangulation. Recovery of 2 cough syrup bottles from Suchana's hotel room give credence to suspicions that she may have sedated the child before murdering him. Police suspect that this is why the dead child had no struggle marks. The doctors also added that Suchana attempted suicide after murdering her son, possibly by trying to cut her wrists.
He has been strangulated by mostly probably smothering, and he has died because of strangulation. I think she has used some material to compress his chest, neck. Mostly commonly available things are this pillow.
Police have found out in the investigation that she had bought 2 bottles of cough syrup, one by her and the other one through a hotel staff. So far, she has not revealed why she has purchased that cough syrup bottle. The police are trying to investigate in all possible angles with her why she has killed her own son.
Venkatraman, the father of the child who arrived from Indonesia, took custody of the body and performed the last rites of his son on Wednesday. Meanwhile, Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has assured a thorough probe.
जिस तरह से पुलिस को उसके ऊपर शक हुआ तो पुलिस ने तुरंत ही यानी कर्नाटक पुलिस को कांटेक्ट करके उस अवरोध को गिरफ्तार किया है। हमेशा के लिए गोवा पुलिस हर तरह की इस केस डिटेक्ट हमेशा के लिए करते हैं और उसका फाइनल रिजल्ट तक हमेशा के लिए पहुंचते, इसी केस को डिटेक्ट किया।
The incident, although deeply personal and tragic, has initiated a broader conversation about child safety and mental health. With Sagai Raj, Anaga Keshav and Nagarjun in Bengaluru and Arvind Oja in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.